Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying two essentials: a paid VPN that lists streaming servers and the device ready with the app installed. Open the VPN, sign in, and pick a server. Choose a local one for performance or the target country if the video is region locked. Once connected, check your IP location in the app. Make sure it matches the server. Then open the streaming site or app, sign in if needed, and attempt to play the video to confirm basic access. Once you hit playback problems, switch tactics. Open a private browser window to prevent cached location data. If the stream still blocks you, try another server in the same country. Sometimes city-level routing matters. Make sure DNS is set to automatic or the VPN's DNS to avoid leaks. If local services fail, enable split tunneling and route only the browser through the VPN. Also check the app's protocol option. To finish, set the stream quality to match your connection. Lower to 720p if you see buffering, raise to 1080p if smooth. If the video is still blocked, disconnect and pick a different server, or enable obfuscation/stealth mode in the VPN. Clear cookies and cache, then reload the player. One key troubleshooting tip: test for WebRTC or DNS leaks. If WebRTC is leaking, disable it in the browser or use an extension. Repeat server swaps until the video plays cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.